All right, number 4, use the trig function to find the value of x. So when you're doing this, you're looking at three things. You're looking at the angle, and the first thing I would do is, looking at the triangle from this angle's perspective, identify the parts. So this is opposite. This side's going to be adjacent, and this side's the hypotenuse. Okay? Then I look at what's given to me, so I'm given the adjacent side. I look what I'm looking for, and I'm looking at the opposite side, and I think to myself, what ratio from this angle's perspective would that be? Well, opposite and adjacent indicate tangent, so I would go tangent of the angle, which in the case is 60 degrees, is equal to opposite, which is the amount I'm looking for, divided by the adjacent, which is 6. All right, so there's my equation to solve. I'm trying to find the value of x. So I want to get x by itself. If x is being divided by 6, the way to eliminate the 6 would be to multiply both sides of the equation by 6. Okay, so these 6's cancel, inverse operations, division, multiplication, cancel, leaving you just with x. And then on my calculator, if I were to go ahead and pull up my graphing calculator, first thing I do is I check the mode to make sure I was in degree mode, which it shows this isn't. So I'm going to put that in degree mode, second quit, and now I'd simply type in 60 times the tan of 60 degrees, and I would get 10.39230485, which is approximately 10.39. So I would go x is approximately 10.39. Okay, now if I wasn't using the trig, I'd recognize, gee, this is a 60-degree angle, and that's 90, so that means that has to be 30. So I'm thinking, oh, that is the short side of a 30, 60, 90. That means the long side is going to be 6 times, is going to be the short side times the square root of 3. So x in this case would exactly be 6 square root of 3. So on my calculator, let's just see how close that is. So if I were to go 6 times the square root of 3, guess what? I get the exact same answer. So this is the exact answer in radical form. This is the decimal approximation.